Hi everyone, Cheryl here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a South Indian delicacy fish semi-gravy recipe. And the ingredients needed are fish 1.5 kg. I'm using kingfish today. You can use any similar type of fish. Some tamarind, 4 big sliced onion, 6 big tomatoes cut into cubes, curry leaves handful, a handful of chopped coriander, red chili powder 6 tablespoons, coriander powder 4 teaspoons, turmeric powder 2 teaspoons, fenugreek powder 2 teaspoons, half a cup of coconut oil, roughly chopped garlic 20 pods, roughly chopped ginger approximately 3 tablespoons, fenugreek seeds half a teaspoon, mustard half a teaspoon. Let's get started. Add some coconut oil to a cooking pan. Add some mustard seeds. Once you see them spluttering, add fenugreek seeds. Followed by sliced onion. Saute the onion till translucent. Once the onions have caramelized, let's add ginger and garlic. And saute it for a minute or two. Along with that, I'm going to add chopped curry leaves and chopped coriander leaves. Now it's time to add tomatoes. I'm going to add a little salt, which will help the tomatoes to leave water and get cooked easily. Let's cover and cook the tomatoes on low heat until they get mushy. You can see the tomatoes have become mushy and have cooked well. Now at this stage, let's add some powder masalas. I'm going to add red chili powder. This recipe needs to be a little spicy, so if you have low spice tolerance, then reduce the chili powder. Coriander powder, turmeric powder, fenugreek powder, and tamarind pulp. Add 750 ml of water. The masala needs to be a perfect balance of spicy, tangy and saltiness. We need to balance the gravy before we add the fish in it. Now we can see the masala boiling. At this stage, I'm going to add the fish slices. Fish cooks quickly, so we cannot stir the gravy once we add in the fish. Instead, we can keep twisting the pot once we add in the fish. An amazing, tasty, tangy, spicy fish recipe is ready to serve. Serve it hot with rice, roti, dosa or any similar item. Try it out at home and let me know how it goes in the comment section. Let's meet once again with another interesting recipe. Until then, eat healthy, take care. Thank you for watching the video.